This is what the fire alarm looks and sounds like on the first level in Building 600. We will start out in the classroom, and then we will step into the hallway so you can see and hear what the fire alarm sounds like in the hallway. Go ahead and start the alarm, please.
Record.
We stand up calmly, walk to the exit, and we go through the nearest exit. You notice the doors in the middle of the hall close, but you can push them open.
All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
And proceed to the exit.
Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly.
When you are outside, you'll gather under the awning. And now you've safely exited Building 600 during a fire alarm.